Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm Adaora. On today's video I'll be showing you guys this newest kitchen addition. This is the R.W.FLAME countertop ice maker machine. This is model HZB20BN in color black. This machine weighs 40 pounds and it makes 44 pounds of ice in 24 hours. This is the ice basket. This is what collects the ice. This is the ice scoop. You use this to scoop ice from the basket. This is the water reservoir with a filter. It takes up to 2.2 liters of water. And this is the secondary water reservoir. By the side of the machine is the hot air outlet. Then at the back of it, you'll find the technical parameters, and you also find the metal shell that houses the engine. At the front bottom side of the unit is the water drain cap. This is where the water drains out from. So just open it up and the water will drain out and then put it back. This is the control panel. It has the timer and the power button. Finally is the power cord, which is long enough to fit into any electrical outlet. I like that the top part of this machine is removable. Also, the lid is transparent. That way you can monitor the ice capacity of the machine without having to open it up all the time. It might interest you to know that this machine cleans itself. It has a self-clean cycle. So just plug it in, pour in some water, then press and hold the ice clean button for 5 seconds and then the cycle comes up. In the manual it says 20 minutes, but mine just came up as 15 minutes. So this is what you will see when the self-clean cycle is ongoing. So when the cleaning cycle is complete, the machine automatically stops. Then open the drain cap at the bottom part of the machine and drain out the water. Now the machine is ready to be used. So into the machine, just pour in some water. Be careful not to go above the maximum level. So this machine takes up to 2.2 liters of water. So just pour in the water at the basket and then plug it in into an electrical outlet. The operational panel of this machine is very easy to understand. Just click on the ice clean button and it starts making your ice. This machine starts producing ice within 5 to 7 minutes of plugging it into an electrical outlet. I love that this machine makes nugget ice. Nugget ice are different from the traditional ice because they are so brittle, so chewable, and they readily dissolve into your drinks. This machine also makes ice with very low noise. I will let you listen to the noise that the machine produces. This was after about 1 hour plus of starting the ice machine, and this is the ice that it has produced so far. We still have some water left in the reservoir. So this was after 2 hours and 30 minutes of starting this ice machine, and at this point the ice basket is full, and that is the sign you see on the control panel. That F means full, and this machine automatically stops when the basket is full or when the water in the reservoir is empty. And now, what's my take on this machine? I highly recommend this machine. Reason is because it makes nugget ice and it doesn't make too much noise. I like nugget ice because it readily dissolves into your drink. I had one before, another brand of ice maker. I didn't like it so much because the ice it produces takes forever to dissolve into your drink. But this one is now my absolute favorite, and I highly recommend it to whoever is interested. If you're interested in buying this machine, just click the link in my description box. I'll also pin it in the comment section, and it will take you directly to their website. They also have a big sale coming up on July 11 to July 17, and if you buy this machine within this period you will get a 32% discount, meaning instead of buying it at $369.99, you will now buy it at 249.99 US dollars. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay safe.